down shops and turning some heads, driving to years and numbers for its best, carrying people from their boots to their chest. Well, the best people born gets to stay indoors, with her eyes wherever she goes. Herself, she goes by. Well, the Illinois snowstorm will chew you up, get you feeling all heavy, leave you stuck in a rut somewhere that no one can see. You're down so far it almost feels like a dream. You wanna wake up and be in your bed with your long-time girl, your best friend. Yeah, you wanna be warm, but you're so cold, man. You got caught in an Illinois snowstorm. You've been hearing all the warning signs about some time now. I can forget. You're thinking, don't blame it on her, don't blame it on drinking. Now you're in the middle of a dead cornfield, all the wind and snow blowing at your high as a pit. Always remember how much you lost, how much you owe, and how much she cost. Well, the Illinois snowstorm will chew you up, get you feeling all heavy, leave you stuck in a rut somewhere no one can see. You're down so far it almost feels like a dream. You wanna wake up and be in your bed with your long-time girl, your best friend. Yeah, you wanna be warm, but you're so cold, man. You got caught in an Illinois snowstorm. Damn, you got caught in an Illinois snowstorm. Well, the Illinois snowstorm will chew you up, get you feeling all happy, leave you stuck in a rut somewhere no one can see it. You're down so far it almost